Wow! Amazing! What a great area with a lot of sunlight coming in.
We had to include that into our brainstorming of what our office should be.
Hello everyone, how are you? It's time for MET, Mercari Engineering Today. I'm your host Mike.
And I'm Jessie.
In this program, we'll be covering Mercari Engineering, bringing you the latest and most accurate scoops like no other station. Yo!
I'm guessing you went to see a kabuki show.
Correct.
Anyways, let's move on to today's top story. In September of 2022, Mercari's new office was finally completed, and I wonder, what is the concept of this new workspace? So today, our reporter Tomi Dokuro will be joining us in the field, taking a look around the new office space. Let's take a look at the following clip.
I'm Tomi Dokuro, Met Special Correspondent. I'm currently in Roppongi Hills. I heard that Mercari's Roppongi office has been updated recently, so today I'm going to go check it out. Let's go! Mercari's new updated office should be located somewhere around here, but... Oh, is that who I think it is? Hello!
Hello.
I'm Met Special Correspondent Tomi Dokuro. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I'm Nakatogawa from Mercari's workplace team.
Mayu Nakatogawa. In 2018, she joined Mercari after working at an interior design firm. As a member of the workplace team, she's in charge of various projects including office operations to construction. Could you give us a tour inside the office?
Yes, of course.
Thank you very much. Today, Ms. Nakatogawa will show us the 6 locations that have been recently renovated. Now, let's go check out the new updated office. Wow, what is this place used for?
So this place is called the Big Table Lounge.
Big Table Lounge?
Yep. This area features a big table and many green plants. We use this place to meet up with our clients, and we use this space to have discussions after the meetings.
I see.
By the way, this table is made of desks that were used in our old office.
No way!
Yup. So we decided to reuse the desks by covering them with graphics to make them look prettier.
So you mean you recycled them?
That's right.
Wow!
And this table used to be planners.
What? So you're telling me it used to look like this?
Right. We used to plant large trees in these planners, but now we use them as tables. We consider sustainability to be one of our most important values, so we have these kind of ideas implemented all around the office.
I see. Also, isn't every single chair different?
Right.
What were you thinking, Ms. Nakatogawa? What were you thinking?
Well, actually, this also matches Mercari's vision on how there are many different types of things, so it's done on purpose.
Oh, on purpose! Previously, this space used to be a normal office, lined up with the same chairs and decorated with little greenery. But now, it has been updated into a great office. By the way, this space has a new name.
This space is called Mercari Base Tokyo. It is not only the place to work, but also a place to communicate and collaborate. As a result, every employee at Mercari can create a new value. We named this space so that it will be a driving force to create that process.
I see.
Last September, our work style has changed to the Your Choice policy. The frequency to work from the office has changed, and every employee can choose from various kinds of work styles.
So many different ways of working are possible here. For example, wow, what a great area with a lot of sunlight coming in. I bet some people have napped here.
I think so.
Oh, really? Amazing.
We actually have another space which is more relaxing.
More relaxing than here? Could you please take us there?
Of course.
I wonder what kind of place is more relaxing than this. But still, this office is so spacious. What is this? This place looks interesting.
Right. This place is called the Janken Lounge.
Janken Lounge? Now it really sounds like a fun place.
This Janken graphic is one of the main features for this area. If you look closely, there are heart symbols too.
Ah, that's cute.
So these graphics are featured here.
So what does everyone do in this area?
Well, this area is actually located behind a cafe, so people usually bring their coffee here and work.
You just mentioned it so casually, but there's a cafe behind here?
Yes, and it's very popular.
I bet.
And this is the Hadashi Lounge.
Hadashi Lounge?
That's right. You can be barefoot in this area and relax. Before, we used to have a tatami area, and it used to be very popular among the engineers. So we decided to create a new space where you have to take your shoes off. Also, you get a great view of Tokyo Tower right in front of you.
Wow! Amazing! I would probably sleep here all day.
There was a period of time when we could only work from home, but some people also found working remotely more relaxing. And that is why we wanted to create a similar atmosphere within our office so that the employees can experience the coziness of working from home at work as well.
Ah, please go on without me. I don't want to move anymore. It's too comfortable. Next, we headed to this area. So, what's this?
This is called the project area.
So, like a conference room?
That's right. It's a conference room, but there are no walls.
Then, doesn't that mean that people can hear your conversation?
Yep. Before, we used to have assigned seats, and we also used to work together as a team at the same desks. Now, the work style has changed to activity-based working, which means that you can move around anywhere in the office to work. We thought about what kind of space is best for us to work together. For example, when a new member joins, the team normally working remotely can work together in person for a week or two. Or a team can focus on a project together for a month at the same location.
I see. But this area is so open. Everyone can hear the discussion, no?
I think that kind of noise is a unique advantage of working from the office, which a work-from-home atmosphere doesn't have.
Interesting.
Like, you can get a sense of what projects others are working on.
So some might find the noise comforting.
But if you don't want others to hear what you're working on, you can always use the meeting rooms.
Oh, so you do have actual meeting rooms?
Of course.
Oh, good. Now I'm relieved. So, what do the employees think about this new office update? What are your thoughts on the new renovated office?
I like it. It's more comfortable to work now. We now have more open spaces like this, so we can refresh ourselves better.
I see.
Also, sometimes people I know come into the office, so I think it's easier to have a conversation with them now.
What do you think, Ms. Nagatogawa?
Mission accomplished.
Ms. Nagatogawa's mission is complete.
Thank you very much.
Besides these workspace areas, there's also a kitchen. The sink, trash cans, and sofa chairs are installed in this area. On this floor, there are two types of kitchens, the green kitchen and the red kitchen. This is where employees can take a quick break. By the way, the kitchen previously looked like this. The update has added certain innovations as well as changes into the layout.
During the renovation, we wanted to help our employees to separate trash easier, so we created signage for better understanding. We also added the number of items to be separated.
So that trash can be separated precisely?
Correct.
Ms. Nakatogawa, didn't the conception of the new office alone take quite a bit of time?
Yeah, it was a lot of work. We have this document called the Cultural Doc. It includes information regarding sustainability, our foundation, and the base of our company culture. The document was updated in August last year. Therefore, we had to include that into our brainstorming of what our office should be. We then implemented them one by one to our current office.
Ms. Nagatogawa's ideas can be seen in this area as well.
I would like to show you the focus zone.
Focus zone?
It's an area you can concentrate, and there are panels installed in each desk. It is designed so that the line of sight will be blocked. There are also green plants installed so that the employee can be secluded and be able to focus.
I can see that these items are placed in different angles so that you don't feel like there are people around you.
Exactly. There are also desks with whiteboards, and these desks can be raised and lowered.
Wow! Wait, for each one of them?
Yes, you can adjust the height.
Ah, so it's like a standing desk.
Yes, if you want to make it standing, you can.
Wow! So each one can be adjusted?
Yes, I tried not to make it like a boring study room.
Wow, you really have great ideas.
I think everyone will be able to find their favorite space to work at in our new office.
I'm sure that everyone would want to come work at the new office now.
I hope.
Hey, Mike and Jesse, what did you think about the new Mercari Base Tokyo office? The new office update helped create a better area to communicate, which also made it easier for people to gather. There were also many thoughtful ideas focusing on the flow of people and opportunities that help facilitate conversations. I wish I can work at a nice office like this someday. Anyways, I'm Tomidokoro, and that's all for today.
Wow. Well, the new Mercari office space looks fantastic.
It certainly does.
It's great. I would love to relax in that lounge.
Yeah, I could see you relaxing all the time, actually.
Relax at work.
Yeah, sure, whatever you say.
Relax at work. It'd be fantastic. I'd love it.
Exactly.
Well, we covered lots of fresh and interesting stories today, huh?
We certainly did.
Yes, I especially like the part about the updated Mercari office. Speaking of updates, I recently updated a part of myself. Can you guess what it is? Can you guess?
You're wearing a wig.
The answer is body cream. Yeah, I recently started using a scented body cream, which just smells nice.
I really don't care. How was I supposed to know that? We'll see you next time.
Smells nice.